covering news that matters. Fox 23 News at 9 starts right now.
After years of legal battles, the Muscogee Freedmen, also known as Black Creeks, are being granted tribal citizenship with the Muscogee Creek Nation. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Shay Rozzi. Nathan has the night off. Now, this comes after today's unanimous ruling by the Muscogee Nation Supreme Court. Fox 23's Paris Rain is live in studio after talking with the civil rights attorney who worked on this case to find out what this all means. Paris.
Shay, this legal battle has been ongoing for 46 years. Now, today, civil rights attorney DeMario Solomon Simmons told me this is what they have been fighting for, and it's like a breath of fresh air, not just for him, but for thousands of others who are Creek Freedmen.
You know, I started this in 1999, trying to get my own citizenship restored and was denied. And then that kind of pushed me on a path of like, man, I got to do something about this.
Civil rights attorney and founder of Justice for Greenwood, DeMario Solomon Simmons, spoke to me following Wednesday's Muscogee Nation Supreme Court ruling that gave Muscogee Freedmen, also known as Black Creeks, tribal citizenship. The Muscogee Creek Nation argued their constitution references citizenship as those who are Muscogee Creek, quote, by blood. But attorneys for the Freedmen argued a previous 1866 treaty gave them tribal citizenship, and the Muscogee Nation Supreme Court agreed. Solomon Simmons says this win hits home not just for his clients, but for him and his family too.
In 1976, I was a Creek citizen, and then that was stripped from me in 1979. But I'm really thinking about my grandmother, Johnny Mae Alston. She passed away in 2019 at 89 years old. She was one of the named lead plaintiffs in our 2018 case. She was very passionate about getting her Creek citizenship restored. She spoke Creek. And I wish she was here physically to see it, but I just believe that her spirit has helped me along this long road.
Both plaintiffs responded to the big news with statements, with Kennedy saying in part, quote, "When I heard the ruling, I felt generations of my family exhale at once. Our ancestors signed that treaty in good faith. And today, the court finally honored their word. This victory isn't just mine. It belongs to every Black Creek descendant who refused to be erased." Grayson's statement says in part, quote, "Today's ruling is a long-awaited affirmation of our dignity, our ancestors, and our rightful place within the Creek Nation. While this victory honors our past, it also offers a meaningful opportunity for healing and reconciliation."
And it's one of the best days of our lives. We made history. But more importantly, we have restored the lives and the dignity of so many people.
He says now thousands of Black Creeks have the opportunity to have their citizenship restored. If you need any help doing so, you can contact Justice for Greenwood. You have to have documents showing you are a direct descendant of someone who is on the Creek Freedmen Dawes rolls. Live in studio covering news that matters, I'm Paris Rain, Fox 23 News.
We reached out to the Muscogee Creek Nation about this ruling. They sent us a statement saying, quote, "We are currently reviewing the order to understand its basis as well as its implications for our processes. It may be necessary to ask for a reconsideration of this order to receive clarity so that we can ensure that we move forward in a legal, constitutional manner." We have that statement and the statements from the Creek Freedmen plaintiffs in this story on Fox23.com.